Hi guys, you guys are watching Caroline. I'm actually going to the backyard because
we found a bird in our cuzibo.
So
we gotta go get it.
We don't know what it's gonna eat.
I'm a video on my phone too. Right now, guys. So
that's Marissa. I'm Caroline. You guys are watching Caroline reviews. Okay. She's posting a video like right now on YouTube, like she will be. So.
Okay, guys. So my mom just looked out of her window, and in the gazebo she found a bird stuck in it. Oh my God! There it is. Oh, the poor thing is stuck. I'm afraid to open it. He's flying around. Cuckoo. No, I'm afraid.
I'll do it.
He's just going nuts.
Carry this. Okay. So I'm doing the video part. Okay. So I'd run away. I'd run away. Come on, Birdie. Come on, Birdie. Birdie. It's open. Where'd it go? Bird. Oh, Ava, you have to open it and leave. The birds are not going to go with you standing in the middle of it. Birds are scared of you. Sorry, guys. Ava's camera's not seeing anything.
Sorry, guys.
Come on, Birdie. Here, take your camera. Sorry. That's her nickname. Okay, Ava, open it. Caroline, open it.
I keep calling her nickname.
Stop
Come
it.
on, Birdie.
Come on, Birdie. Oh my God, did you guys see this?
Legit, this bird is not leaving. Birdie! Get out of the gazebo, you're gonna break it.
Okay, he probably wants to get out this way.
We have this pet. Yeah, open that one. Oh, okay, he's good. Okay. Well, he wasn't
Okay, he's having a heart attack right now.
He was so close to leaving.
Come on, Birdie.
Birdie, we're gonna live. Don't worry, we're not gonna hurt you. We love you, Birdie. Okay, but don't shake it. It was on that thing. We want the bird to leave because we don't want it to stay trapped in there forever. Oh, Birdie, don't get hurt. You're going everywhere.
He's gonna get out.
Yes, he has to get out.
I know, I want him to get out.
He's gonna get hurt in there, Ava. Oh, his family's probably calling him.
We could not touch him. We touched him, his
Oh,
family.
he's out.
Oh, he flew away, guys.
I guess he did. I didn't see him do it. Is he out?
Yeah.
That closed it all.
He's done.
So the bird didn't come back. Well, you're not going to.
I mean, we wanted to come back, man. But we can't.
I
But
wanted to come back.
Marissa, tell you what now.
I don't want her to come back, Caroline, because that bird right there.
Oh, there it is. It's on the roof now. Oh, can you carry this, please?
It's now on the roof of that house.
Marissa,
Yeah.
carry this, please.
Okay.
Legit, Marissa was climbing from fence to, from pole to pole, and she actually made a crumple thing. But whatever. Doesn't matter. It's a bird, and it lived. That's the only good part.
Because I can't do this.
Hold it on the top. This is how Caroline is struggling. Too short.
Oh, I'm too short.
Shut up.
That's mean.
You want me to do it? You don't know if the bird pooped in there.
And how do you know? You know what bird
Me too, obviously.
like a bird pooped in my mom's head before. Then we went to look at my mom and see if that was good luck. Yeah, alright. Okay, I cannot do this. I'll try the other side.
I'll try this one. Oh, I know what to do. If you're stupid.
Okay.
Hold the camera. Hold the camera.
Yourself.
Yeah. But I got out of it, that's why. Okay, guys, so my video shut off while she was going to carry my phone.